On Earth, there is a most mysterious building which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Without its existence, the other 6 wonders might even be considered as myth and legend. This is the Egyptian pyramid, which was cursed by the pharaoh. What secrets does it hide? As the largest of the 3 pyramids in Giza, the Great Pyramid of Khufu is 146 meters high and consists of 2.3 million stone blocks. Each block weighs tens of tons and is cut precisely to fit together perfectly. Facing such a huge project, how did the ancient Egyptians, who were still in the Bronze Age 4,600 years ago, manage to complete it? In 2013, archaeologists discovered a papyrus from the time of Khufu on the edge of the Red Sea. After studying it, they found that it was a diary left by a pyramid builder. Based on the clues described in the diary, surveyors conducted paleomagnetic measurements of the pyramid and found that all the stones had the same magnetic north. The researchers also discovered that there were millions of cubic meters of limestone in Egypt's clay, which could produce a chemical reaction when mixed with white clay and water, creating a solid stone within a few hours. Additionally, through various experiments with different mixtures, the ancient Egyptians accidentally produced a special type of glass that acted like a magnifying glass when exposed to sunlight, quickly heating and melting granite that was being focused on. In addition, the Egyptians also discovered that water can measure the weight of an object and can record time. They invented a type of water clock that resembles a flowing sand. Several years later, the Egyptians began planning to build the largest pyramid in history. They integrated all of their knowledge into that pyramid. The construction site was chosen on the Giza Plateau, where there was enough clay and limestone. Since the production of concrete requires a large amount of water, they scheduled it during the flooding of the Nile. When the Egyptians positioned the pyramid using sticks and ropes, they poured the concrete into the molds, and through precise calculations, they poured each layer according to the pre-designed molds. At the most complex shaft of the pyramid, they stopped every few meters to take measurements to ensure that the brightest star in the sky, Sirius, could shine straight into the burial chamber. Finally, they completed the construction of such a magnificent structure. But why do so many people still believe that the pyramids were not built by humans? First of all, the apex of the Khufu pyramid is located at 29.979245 degrees north latitude, while the speed of light is 299,792.458 kilometers per second. Moreover, when you multiply the length of the Khufu pyramid by 2 and divide it by its height, you get pi 3.1415, which is over 2,000 years earlier than when Archimedes first introduced pi. Are these numbers really just a coincidence, or did the builders deliberately leave some kind of information? What's even more incredible is that the Khufu pyramid is almost perfectly aligned with true north, with an error of only 0.057 degrees. In modern times, this level of precision can only be achieved through satellite technology, but 4,500 years ago, during the Bronze Age, how did the ancient Egyptians manage to achieve this? Perhaps these mysteries will be unraveled one by one in the near future.